We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello friends, I am Assistant Professor Milan Patel from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center. Today we will discuss the voltage equation of symmetrical induction machine in machine variable. So first of all, what is machine variable? Machine variable is the ABC form. So for this, the winding arrangement for 2-pole 3-phase Y connected symmetrical induction machine is shown in figure. So in this figure, the winding arrangement is shown. So the outer side AS dash, CS dash, BS dash stator windings are there, and the inner side rotor windings AR dash, BR dash, CR dash is there, and rotor and stator windings are displaced by theta r angle. AR and AS is displaced by theta r angle, and the rotor axis is rotated at the speed omega r. So this is the winding diagram. So this is stator side, this is rotor side. On stator side there is a stator resistance RS is there, and number of turns for the stator inductance is NS. Same for RR, and NR is there for the rotor side. So this is the arrangement for the stator and rotor windings. Now simply from this figure we can simply apply KVL and write the voltage equation like this: VABCS is equal to RS IABCS plus P lambda ABCS. Same for rotor side, VABCR is equal to RR IABCR plus P lambda ABCR. Again in matrix form we can divide the VABCS in column vector VAS, VBS and VCS, and this column vector is the transpose of the same row vector. Same for the rotor side. Now S subscript stands for the stator circuit variable, R for the rotor circuit variables, RS is diagonal matrix, RR is also diagonal matrix for the rotor side. Now for the magnetically linear system we can write the flux linkage equation lambda ABCR is equal to LS LSR transpose LR into IABCS and IABCR, where LS and LR are, this is the self inductance for the stator side, this is the self inductance for the rotor side, this is mutual inductance for the stator and rotor, again this is mutual inductance. Now define all these parameters, they are all in matrix form. So LS is simply given by LLS plus LMS. So all the diagonal elements are same, and off diagonal elements are minus 1/2 LM minus 1/2 LMS. So LS is the stator winding stator inductor matrix, and it is LLS means leakage inductance, and MS is the magnetizing inductance for the stator. So now LR is again given by the self inductance of the rotor, and it is given by LLR plus LMR. All the diagonal elements are LLR plus LMR, and non off diagonal elements are minus 1/2 LMR minus 1/2 LMR. So we can simply say that LLR is the leakage inductance for the rotor side, and this is magnetizing inductance for the rotor side. So now define mutual inductance LSR is equal to the value of LSR into the matrix cos theta r plus 2 pi by 3, theta r minus 2 pi by 3, theta r minus 2 pi by 3, theta r plus 2 pi by 3. So we can simply observe that the diagonal element are cos theta r, and the next element after theta r is always plus 2 pi by 3. So theta r plus 2 pi by 3, theta r plus 2 pi by 3, theta r plus 2 pi by 3. After 2 pi by 3 it is the minus 2 pi by 3. So now when expressing the voltage equation in machine variable form, it is convenient to refer all the rotor variables to the stator windings by appropriate turns ratio. Same procedure we have followed in the transformer modeling. So IABCR is now given by IABCR dash because it is referred to the stator side. So it is given by IABCR dash is equal to NR by NS IABCR. Same for voltage, VABCR dash is equal to NS by NR VABCR. Now same for flux linkage lambda dash ABCR is equal to NS by NR lambda ABCR. So again for magnetizing inductance we can say that LMS is equal to NS by NR LSR. So the magnetizing and mutual inductances are associated with the same magnetic flux. So LMS and LSR are related by following. So LSR dash is given by NS by NR into LSR. Now LSR dash is given by LMS because we know that LSR dash is equal to LMS. So again this cos theta r matrix is multiplied by it. Now LMR is given by NR by NS square LMS. NR by NS square LMS. Same thing for LR dash is given by NS by NR whole square LR. So this is the magnetizing inductance and rotor side inductance. Now LR dash is given by same thing, diagonal elements are same, LR dash plus LMS, all the diagonal elements are same, and off diagonal element is given by minus 1/2 LMS. So LR dash is equal to NS by NR square into LLR. So now flux linkage equation may be expressed as lambda ABCS, and where lambda ABCR is replaced by lambda dash ABCR. Same thing LS, diagonal elements are LS and LR, self inductances. Now mutual inductances are replaced by the dash. So and it is multiplied by IABCS and IABCR dash. So the voltage equation in machine variable referred to the stator winding may be written as the VABCS and VABCR dash is equal to RS plus P lambda PLS plus PLSR dash PLSR dash transpose RR dash plus PLR dash into IABCS and IABCR dash. So this is the voltage equation in machine variable referred to the stator winding. So it is very useful theory regarding to the GTU examination. It may be asked in 7 marks. So thank you.